Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google Keep on PC. Google Keep is a versatile, lightweight and intuitive note-taking application developed by the Google. It allows users to quickly capture ideas, make lists, users to save images, set reminders and collaborate with others, all while syncing seamlessly across devices. While many people know Keep as a mobile app, its PC version is equally powerful, running entirely in a web browser. So in order to access to your Google Keep on your PC, what you can do is you need to open any of the web browser that you prefer, and after that in the top we can find to this an address bar, type down keep.google.com and enter it, and after that make sure to sign in with your Google account if you do not have one, and Google will simply prompt you to create an account. And once logged in, the interface is straightforward like this. The main dashboard shows your notes in a grid layout, a left hand side menu search for the top, and the profile settings icons on the right over here. So the dashboard is organized in a visually clean way. Notes appear as a rectangular cards, and each card can contain text, images and checklist. The left hand menu contains links for the notes, reminders, labels, archive, dash over here, and settings as well, making navigation very convenient. This design allows you to quickly locate specific notes or organize them in ways that suits your workflow. And on the main screen and the dashboard, at the top of the screen over here, you will see a search bar. This allows you to filter notes by keeping words, labels, or even colors. Once you click onto this search here, you can select shopping. Google Keep instantly displays all the notes containing the word shopping. Next to the search bar is a profile icon as well, which displays a Google account picture. Clicking it allows you to switch accounts, manage your Google profile, or sign out. And on the left hand side on the menu, there's three-lined icon here. It expands to show the various options. This includes the notes, reminders, edit labels, archive, and the trash as well. And the notes is all of the active notes. Reminders is any notes with scheduled notifications, and in this, labels for organizing topics. In this archive, it is for to hide notes without deleting them. And under this trash here, where deleted notes are stored for 7 days, and settings for customization. Each menu item is self-explanatory and designed to enhance productivity. So if you want to create a note on PC, which is simple, on the dashboard there's a box label take a note here. Clicking to this opens a note editor here. You can type down on note. You can also check list or do list. You can also take a title over here, and over here you can add tasks that you can check off as completed. You can also draw it, and if you want to format your option, you can do that as well by clicking onto this format, and you can select the format that you want to put. You can also click onto this background option here. You can select the color that you want to put under the notes as well, and over here beside it you can also find this reminder icon. You can also set a time based or the location based reminder for the note. Once you click onto this, you can select to this remind me later in order to Google Keep to remind you later. Your reminders are saved in the Google Task. You can select the reminders as per your preference here, and it can also be location based reminders, notify you when you arrive at a certain place. And just beside it we can find to this archive here. It moves the note to the archive, keeping the dashboard uncluttered while still saving the note. And beside it there's a three dot icon. Click onto this three dot icon, and you can also delete the note. Moves to the note to trash. Trash retains item for the 7 days before permanent deletion. Under this more option you can find your add labeling. You can also draw it. You can click onto this drawing here. You can also draw under the notes as well, and you can go back. Organizing notes effectively. Google Keep allows for the labels, colors and pinning. Labels act as a categories of folders but are flexible, and one note can have multiple labels. Color give visual cues, helping prioritize. Pinning ensures your most important notes appear at the top. Combining these three features creates an efficient system to manage even dozens of the notes. You can also use the reminders, which is powerful. Clicking this bell icon up to a reminder by the time, date or the location as well, and you can set a reminder to buy groceries or when arriving at a local store. Reminders also sync with Google Calendar, providing notifications even outside the Keep as well. And you can also do a collaboration and sharing. Over here click onto this collaborator here, and you can find this sharing. It lets you add other people emails to a note. Collaborations can view and edit notes in real time, perfect for the project, shared shopping list or group planning. All edits sync instantly. You can also import a media. You need to click onto this add image icon to upload photos, screenshots or other files. Once you click onto this here, you'll find your video or the photo. Simply select one of the media that you put under the note, and it will instantly put under the note as well. And this is particularly useful for the received documents or visual reminders. And in the setting and the customization in the top right over here, once you click onto the setting, a gear will appear here. You can go to the setting over here as well. You can select to the notes and the list that you want to add new items to the bottom, move checked items to the bottom. You can also select to this display rich link previews here. You can also enable the dark theme if you prefer to do that. So, and after that you can select to the save, and it will automatically set to the settings interface as well. And the next thing is the pinning in Google Keep. The pin icon over here on the top, once you save the note, is one of the most powerful pinning tools for staying organized. Pinning allows you to keep your most important notes visible at the top of the dashboard here, regardless of when they were created. This is especially useful when you have dozens of notes but want to quickly access urgent tasks, daily prioritize or the ongoing projects. And in the left hand side and this default view, when you keep it, clicking onto this notes here, show all the active unarchived notes in a grid or the list view. You can see a visual overview of all of your notes. Notes can contain text, images, checklists, links, and drawing. Hover over a note to quickly pin color over here. You can also do a background option here. You can make the color. And notes can contain text, image, and checklists, links, and drawings. Hover and use grid view if you prefer the visual snapshots of the images and colors, and list view if you want compact text organizations. And in the left hand side, again, there's a reminders here. The reminder section collect all the notes with the time based on the location based reminders here. If you set a reminder for a grocery list at 5 p.m. or a meeting note for tomorrow, it appears here. You can click onto this reminder to edit notes or mark it as complete. Reminders sync automatically with Google Calendar, so you get alerts outside of Keep, and this section acts as a priority dashboard for tasks that require immediate action. So first, in the left hand side, again, there's an edit label here. Labels in Keep act as a categories or the folders. The edit labels option allows you to create new labels, example work, travel, groceries. You can rename it or delete existing labels as well. And you can assign multiple labels to assign to a single note. And once labeled, you can click a label to filter note instantly. Over here, as I'm going to select to this create new label here, you can type down any of the label and select to this done here, and a label has just been created. And label can combine with colors, pins for maximize organization. Use label for the long-term organization, while colors are better for the daily prioritization. Under the archive here, the archive section stores note that you want to hide from your main dashboard but not delete. You can click onto this archive on any note to move it here. Archive notes remain searchable by the keyword, label, or the color. You can use archive for completed projects or the reference notes. This keeps your main dashboard clean and focused. Under this trash here you'll find all of the deleted notes. You can go to this dashboard where they remain for the 7 days before permanent deletion here. You can restore a note from a trash if you have deleted accidentally any of the note, and permanently deleted note manually to free space, and treat trash as a safety net for the accidental deletions as well. And in the top right corner we can find to this list view or the grid view here. What you can do is it allows switching between the list view or the grid view. Over here, once you click onto this, it will automatically switch any of the view that you prefer. Then over here the grid view shows notes as colorful rectangular, better for the images and checklist, and the list view shows a simple vertical list, compact and ideal for the text heavy notes. You can use the grid view for the visual inspiration, boards, list view for task heavy workflows as well. And beside we can find the setting here. And here you can also disable the dark theme if you want to prefer, or you can enable the dark theme over here. By simply tapping onto this, you can automatically enable or disable the theme as well. You can also go to this and help and feedback. The help option provides access to the Google Keep support articles, frequently asked questions, tutorials and tips, and users can repost box. Under the keyboard shortcut here for the faster navigations, it will help you memorize most of the use shortcuts to speed up your workflow. You can click onto this and you can find all of the keyboard shortcuts to automatically open any of the icons here as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to use Google Keep on PC. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.